Translate to corporate speak means taking normal, everyday language and rewriting it in a more formal, business-style tone. In many companies, this involves replacing simple words with professional-sounding terms. For example, instead of saying, "we fixed the problem," you might say, "we implemented a corrective action to resolve the issue." The goal is to make communication sound more polished, structured, and aligned with workplace expectations. This type of translation is often used in emails, reports, presentations, and meetings where tone matters. Corporate speak usually avoids casual expressions and focuses on clarity, professionalism, and sometimes even strategic framing. For instance, "we're behind schedule" might become, "we are experiencing timeline deviations." While the meaning stays similar, the wording is adjusted to sound more formal and less emotional. However, corporate speak can sometimes make communication less direct or harder to understand if overused. That's why it's important to balance clarity with professionalism. Good translation to corporate speak should still be easy to understand while sounding appropriate for a business environment, rather than turning simple ideas into overly complex jargon.